Today we are putting the M43 back into the touring. The truth is that M43 already is in the touring, but half of the footage that I made was corrupted and I couldn't recover it any way I tried. So, enjoy! This is a huge step for me because the engine is finally in. I'm super happy that I was able to do it today. It's not over yet though. We still have a lot of work. We have to clean and seal the transmission, put it inside the car, create brand new exhaust because the old one, some idiot just cut it in half. I don't know who would do that. For those of you who stayed, I have a small spoiler. I'm gonna show you what's going on the engine stand as a next thing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.